A warm welcome to Anuradha Vedic Astrology. Today we are going to see an instance when we can win over our enemies, our debtors, etc. But before that, a big thanks to all of you for liking, sharing and subscribing to our YouTube and Spotify channels and writing in your comments and suggestions there. If you haven't subscribed to us, please do. And do remember to press the bell icon so that you can get the updates ASAP. So, when we are talking about litigation, when we are talking about a court case, when we are talking about a debtor that needs to be paid off, these are matters that are concerned with our day-to-day life and they weigh upon us a lot. So, people when they come for consultation, they do have these problems that they need to be answered. And Uttar Kalamrit has Fal Dipika has a very good answer to it. In fact, in Fal Dipika's Kal Siddha Yoga Khand, wherein they tell you the time period when you can look into the charts and find when these things fructify is well mentioned. Here, what is mentioned is that Manteshwar Maharaj says very clearly that when the Lagna Lord and the 6th Lord, the Lagna Lord representing you, the 6th Lord representing your enemy, when in transit they meet, in that case that is a point of conjunction that you find, and in that case if any one of them that is strong, that planet is strong, then with respect to that particular house, be it the Lagna or the 6th house, that person is going to be victorious. Now first of all, we need to have a clarification of the meaning of the word strong. When is a planet strong? The planet is said to be strong when it is exalted, when it is placed in its Mool Trikona sign. When it is placed in its own house, it is Digbali, or for that matter, when it is sitting in the house of a friend. In all such cases, either of these two planets, that is the Lagna Lord or the 6th Lord, if they are satisfying the equation, they are strong. And whichever planet is strong, delivers the results in its own house favor. That is, if the Lagna Lord is strong, it will deliver the results to you. That is, you are going to win against your debtors. You are going to have a win against any litigation that you have pending in the case. Whereas, if the 6th Lord is in a strong position, it will deliver results of its house. That means your enemy will win over you, your debtors will come and pounce over your property, which may be rightly done so or not. There is also an anomaly here that we need to understand. What is that anomaly? Generally, when we say in a friend's house, Mercury sitting in the sign of Capricorn is in its friend house. But if Mars is also sitting there and being the Lagna Lord for the Aries sign, in that case Mars is Digbali, it is also sitting in a place of exaltation. So it is stronger than that of Mercury, even though this Mercury is sitting in a friend's house and Mars is sitting in a house of an enemy. Mars will then deliver results for its own house. So, we need to be very sure where the planet is sitting and whether the planet is comfortable, whether the planet is strong. And that planet in transit will give its results, because there will be something connecting to the dasha antar pratyantar, and in that moment the results will be in our favor. So we just need to check the dates, we need to see when it's possible and come to a good conclusion. Do write to us, see how it works in your chart. Until we meet with you again, stay safe.
Please hit the bell icon for fresh updates. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the videos, and please subscribe to our channel.